Hey, this is Brant with Vintage Statements, and today we've got this nice French style dresser that we're gonna redo, so follow along. Alright, so what we're gonna do with this piece is we're gonna remove the hardware, we're gonna sand it down, and we're gonna paint it a nice bright red. It's gonna be pretty cool. A little pop to it. So what's kind of unique about this is it looks like a 6 drawer, but it's actually a 3 drawer, just a very large drawers on front. So overall, piece is in good condition. So we're just gonna remove the drawers, hardware, check the subframe, and then we can get into sanding. So let's get started. Alright, we pulled the drawers, now we can start sanding. There was no subframe issues, which is perfect. So, got a DeWalt sander, 80 grit sandpaper. We're gonna scuff sand everything. Anything that's rounded or anything like that, we'll take the sandpaper off. We'll sand those areas down, get everything nice scuffed so it'll be less shiny. It'll look a little dull. That's exactly what we're after. So, frame, 3 drawers, and then we can start vacuuming, wiping this piece out. Alright, we've got it all sanded down, vacuumed out, wiped off, and now we can start painting. Today, we're going to use Behr chalk paint, decorative paint. It comes in a variety of colors. You just go to the counter, you pick the color out of their book. This one right here is called Ladybug. Nice red. We're going to give it a nice little pop, really bring these features out on this piece. We'll scuff it up at the end and see how this chalk paint holds up. Behr chalk paint. I love Behr paint, so I'm super excited to use their chalk paint. So 2 coats, set it aside, let it dry. We'll do the frame, and then, well, we can start scuffing and putting this piece back together. So the transformation really starts now. Alright, got my mini wax, got an old rag, and well, we're going to go over the piece, wipe on, wipe off, go with the direction of the sand, and well, shouldn't take too long here. Alright, here it is completed. It's called Ladybug Behr chalk paint. It went on really nice. One coat really would have done just nice, and a second coat just a touch up. We scuffed it up, we waxed it, and well, here's the final product. If you like this project and many of our others, subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook and Instagram, Leave us a thumbs up or a comment, those definitely do help. And tell me what you think about this color.